In this vast, unforgiving world, I am but a small creature, fighting for every moment, against webs, beaks, and hungry eyes. I am tenacious. Each dance of survival, a fight for safety. A cricket dances to distract a lizard. A beetle burrows underground to evade a bird's beak. A moth spirals towards a bat, risking everything. A grasshopper leaps to safety, narrowly escaping a snake's strike. A worm wriggles deep into the earth, away from a hungry fox. In this brutal world, survival is a relentless battle, and I am a part of it.